Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how you can apply for international program from India to Germany. And in 2023-2024 there are 449 results for the criteria for engineering students for postgraduate is what I'm searched for, and there are number of courses available for the master degree. So which are the courses that is available for free of cost or tuition fees is none. Such courses I'm selecting and giving you the brief information how to choose the courses and how can you apply for the courses is what I'm going to discuss. So one such course is advanced manufacturing courses for the Chemnitz University of Technology, Chemnitz. So this is a one of the engineering courses, the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. So overview of this course is Masters of Science in Advanced Manufacturing and English. The language of teaching is in English. So before this we are helping you for statement of purpose, cover letter or motivational letters, and the writing the resumes, or in terms of applying for the visas, or if you want us to help you in end-to-end services like choosing the courses and applying courses, everything we are doing end-to-end services. I'll give the website details and our email ID and contact details. You can always approach for any of the services. We are always there for your help, and there will be a minimal charges will be there, so consider that. So language is courses of taught in English 100%, and it is going to be a full time and less than 50% of online classes if you are choosing for mode of study. And there will be a 4 semesters and winters that is not available for the semesters of summer semesters. It's available only for the winter semesters. And additional informations, we provide individual support to students experiencing a visa issues. Online courses are offered for the first semester students, enabling them to already being there in the studies from the homes. So these are the services they are providing, and application deadline is 15th July the following winter semesters. So tuition fees per semesters in euro is none, and combined master studies they are not doing any combined PhD programs, and joint degrees not available. Descriptions about the content you can go through this so that you will get more knowledge. In terms of calling, there is a phone number is given and the email ID is already given, and the web courses or website is given, so you can call up to them and talk to them directly. Otherwise you can approach us, we will help you in this regard. Next is course details. They are always give the detailed course details, that how long you can study and what are the important things that you are looking for. And so basic model of advanced manufacturing semesters and module research methods. Soft skills they are teaching semester 1 and 2, and the profile models semester 1 to 3 again they are teaching. Elective courses semester 2 and 3, and research projects internship semester 4, and master thesis semester 4. So diploma supplements will be issued, yes, and certificate for the specific models, yes. And international elements studies tips they are providing the projects and participate in Germany and abroad, those informations they are giving. And international internships not mandatory but commandment time to doing internship specifically researched in the schedule. Partners from university and industries will support you. So DFG and other special promotions, full funding of the programs will be there. Course specific integrated German language courses, they are helping you to learn the language, so it is good for you. Next is online learning. So how you can interact with the pace of courses, and if you are the pace of attendance in German, it is compulsory. And type of online learning elements are access to database with study materials and message boards, and the online sessions, online study materials provided by the instructions. Online tuitions are available. Video learning, pre-recorded videos, vlogs, video postcards, Wikipedia, all these things that are helping you to get the course done. And cost of funding, so in terms of tuition fees per semester is none, but semester contributions, all students have to pay semester contributions for 280 euros. This is also covers the semester ticket, which permits you to use business and trams in Chemnitz during the semesters. International students will receive the bank account details or admissions with which they can transfer the semester's contributions. However, the fees can also be paid after arrival in Chemnitz by German bank card transfer. If you're looking for any blocked account, our team is there to help you in this regard. You can talk to us in terms of bank card, in terms of your any of this blocked account. We'll be help you get done. We have tied up with many banks, they will help you. Cost of living approximately 934 euros per month over or cover the personal expenses. Those things you should take care of. Funding opportunities within the university, yes, incoming and students can apply the different funding opportunities via international office of Chemnitz University. So they have given the website here for that. Okay, I hope that is very much informable for you, and the requirement and registrations information is given here. Make sure that you go through this several times, because language proficiency should be B2 level if you are looking for an Indian language or English languages or German language, and all other informations like resources and in-depth theoretical basis and new materials, all those informations they have given. Go through that. In terms of language, IELTS from 5.5 is a decent score if you are looking for an English language teachings, and TOEFL 72 points and TOEFL 534 points, and Cambridge preliminary English if you are written, then PET results, distinctions and other things they are given. What are the exams that you have taken? You just go through your verify and see that if you are into this, and if you are, it is course to obtain required level of German languages A2 level by end of the third semester. So start learning the language before you are applying. It is always good for you. So internet access and device for the accessing the online learning materials with a larger screen than a mobile phone is recommended. Application, so that means you should be having a laptop. Okay, application deadline 15 July for the following winter session, and Technische University Chemnitz address has been given here, and website is also given for the Uni Assist, so you can apply, submit your applications through that. I hope I have given enough information regarding the course. Just go through the possibilities of funding part. The website is always given here, and accommodations part also they are already given the website, and career advice services also they are given. So more informations in terms of your cover letter, your blocked account, your resume writing, or your visa assistance, any support that you wanted, our team is ready to help you. Please contact us, and I give our website details and other stuffs. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.